What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you top 3 easy ways to make money online fast in 2019, even if you're a complete beginner. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so the top 3 easy ways that I'm going to share with you are definitely proven and tested methods, but you need of course to implement and get started and take some action on them. So keep that in mind, of course. They won't come by itself and not by pushing some autopilot button. So make sure you will actually get started with this method, and I can guarantee you that it is the fastest way that you can make money with these 3 easy ways here that I'm going to share with you. Alright, enough talk, let's get started. Make sure you watch until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important information, because I'm going to share with you a lot of content in here today. Let's get started. Okay, so the first method here is actually going to be in 2 ways that we can offer this. I'm sorry for my ugly writing here. What we are going to do here is, let me see, there we have the text. You are going to some offline businesses, but you can do this also for offline. And we are going to offer a service, okay? And we're actually going to offer them video editing, audio productions, complete videos, and so on. Don't let it scare you that you don't have any previous experience. I'm going to show you exactly how you can solve that too. So hang on with me. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to knock on some doors here. You're going to go to offline businesses, smaller businesses, and you're going to offer them some videos or some kind of an online presence if you want to as well. So if someone asks you if you can make a website, don't say no, because you can outsource that, of course. Okay, so you can offer that as service too and be the middleman and make money there also. But let's focus on the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to offer actually some video presence. Even if they don't have any website, it's a perfect opportunity for them to get started, because you only need a Gmail account and you can make a YouTube channel, and of course you can upload videos there. And it is super easy to rank locally videos, okay? So if someone wants to have something ranked there, it is very easy to do this kind of a job. So that's why I wanted to share it with you today here. So you can go and talk to them and offer them videos. Now, how do we actually do this? Well, I'm going to do a little bit of self-promotion here. If you didn't know, I created last year Audio Video Mastery, which is my own course, and how to edit audio and video productions like a pro. Now, I'm running this on a special discounted campaign for a limited time. I'm not sure how long, so I wanted you to grab this opportunity here today. And I'm going to show you actually why I differ a little bit from the other one that you can find out there, because I don't focus on just showing you some features, but I show you ready-made productions that are live, up and running. I'm also talk about conversions. I talk about how to boost the audio, because the audio is 50%, if not even more, of a complete and a successful production there. So let me just show you a little bit quick here on how it looks inside the tutorials here. Productions that I made. Few examples to mention here is 10x your audio, totally free. What you can do with royalty-free footage. I show you everything from start to a finished production. There is another module on a complete and successful YouTube video from scratch. There is another one on a tutorial video. I show you how to create animation templates, fastest way to create a video sales letter like a pro, and a lot more. Okay, so you could see there that I showed you, for example, how you can take a royalty-free footage, which is super easy, no matter what kind of a business you're going to run into. Take that and create a royalty-free footage, put a voiceover on it, and you have your video ready there. And you can start to sell it really low, okay, for like $150, $200 or something like that. So there you have it. and I show you everything inside, where you can find also the footage for free, so it doesn't have to cost you anything at all. All you need to do is watch the tutorials, of course, walk through everything, and you'll be up and running in no time with this, even if you're totally new. Okay, so have a look at it. I will leave you a link for the discounted price below here. So that is what you're going to offer. So probably what's going to happen is that if your client or your customer is satisfied, they will come back to you for more, or they will actually ask you if you can help them to upload the video. Okay, of course you can do that because you want to offer them that as service. And what you're going to do is, hey Mr. Client, we can do this once a month. I'm going to come up with a new video for you, new keyword, new title, and we can rank those videos all the time. Or 10 videos or 20 videos, I don't know. It all depends on your client, okay, how big and what the needs of the client is. And as I said, he doesn't even have to have a website, okay, because we can have a link in YouTube. So just put the address in there, okay, for the local shop. And that is about offline. This is super easy and you get paid really fast, of course, and we're talking about money, okay? Next thing is you can do the exact same thing. You can offer it online here, and you can offer it online on sites like Fiverr. So if you can see here, video editing, if you type that, let's see here. The first one, I will do professional video editing and motion graphics. Now you don't need to offer motion graphics, but 23 euros is approximately around $25, okay? Look at this, 116 euros, which is $120, something like that. Professional video editing. So whatever you think that you are capable of doing, you can offer it here. So don't let it scare you, and I can guarantee you that there is a lot of people in here that they can't do all by themselves, so what they do is they outsource it, okay? So you can actually even take it inside Fiverr, okay? You can, let's say for example that you can't do animation, and if someone asks you, can you do animation? Yes, of course. How much? I will reply to you as soon as I know. What do I want? So you go to Fiverr, you tell them that I want this an animation. Let's say for example that they want 100. Well, okay, sell it for 150. So you make $50 for doing nothing, okay? So that's what I mean by don't say no. Never say no. You can always say, I will come back to you. If it is worth it, you will definitely apply and make some money by being the middleman there. So that is really super fast way to start to make money online and offline, of course, also. All right, as I said, you will have the link below for Audio Video Mastery if you're interested in it. Now you can of course do this by offering any other kind of services. It doesn't have to be video editing, but video is so popular these days. YouTube is the second largest search engine, so I think that it is definitely the number one fastest method to get started with. All right, let's move on to method number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, you can actually sell neither some products via Amazon is a quick example. They have millions of products probably that you can sell and make a commission, or you can sell digital products and courses, and the most popular is of course ClickBank. So you just need to create an account here and go to something that you think you're a good fit for. Something that is very popular is of course health and fitness. So we can go here. You can have a look, do a quick research by popularity. The top 10 is here on the first page, or also by gravity, which is ClickBank's own metrics. And that means that it sells. Okay, there is a lot of competition, but it means also that the product sells. So why reinvent the wheel? You can see here the red tea detox. I have used this in the past also as an example. So you can have a look at the video sales ladder by clicking it here, and you can get tons of information here by looking at the affiliate page, because they do want to sell, of course, and they will help you also with a lot of promo material here. But real quick, what you can do is you hit the promote here, with your nickname. So let's do a tracking ID. You generate a Hope link, and this is your link. Now this is pretty ugly, so I usually use a service like Bitly. Let's see, Bitly. And this is going to be a link shortener, so you just hit a link, you create a new link here and create. So this is going to be the shortened link, okay? And what you can do is you can actually go to, let me see here, you can go to Facebook, you can go to weight loss groups, and don't just spam there, okay? You don't just go in there and say watch this link or something like that. But what you can do, be a little bit smarter here. So go with the angle that hey, I found a cool way and I lost 2 pounds on XYZ time, okay? And if you want to learn more, just tell me more info below here or hit me with a PM. And that means that those people that will be interested, they will contact you, or they will of course drop it in the message below, and then it will give you a reason of course to get back to them. So when you get back to them, they will definitely check it out. And you give them the link and you say, sure, here it is, it's a proven and tested method, blah blah blah, etc. and so on. And they will click that link and you will get a commission if they purchase, of course. Or you can send it to some friends, some emails or something like that. So that is a super fast way to make some quick money with affiliate marketing. Now there is a lot of other ways that will take a longer time to make money with affiliate marketing, but that's not our end goal here in today's video. Today's video we want to make money fast, so that's why I wanted to share with you the fastest method. Use whatever kind of traffic. It can be Twitter, for example. If you have a Twitter account and some followers, use that. Use Pinterest. There is a lot of niches that is very popular in Pinterest. You can make tons of money there. So these are just to give you a few ideas actually on how you can make money fast. Okay? So this is the second method. Now the third method is also something that I've shared it in a few videos in the past, but what you can do is transcribing audio, or you can do captions or foreign subtitles. As you can see here, we have rev.com. It is one example. So you can sign up here and offer these kind of services. Another site I also usually share is Scribie for transcribing. And this is super easy to get started with. You don't need any particular skills actually. All you need is some kind of a headphones and you can get started by listening and transcribing. And you can see here you can earn anything from $5 to $25 per audio hour for just transcribing. And of course you can offer this on Fiverr too as well. Another option that you can make money fast is actually become a tester. You become a tester by testing a product, testing a website or an application, and you can see here you can earn up to $50 or $60 per hour, 50 euros, I'm sorry. That is approximately around $60 per hour for testing your website and so on. So it works really simple. They tell you actually, can you find the red dress or something like that, and you are just looking around at that site and you say, oh, I can't find it, and blah 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 and so on. Alright, so those are the 3 easy ways that you can make money online fast in 2019. Now in my opinion, I would definitely go for number 1. And as I said, not to sound like I want to promote just my own course there, because you can offer any kind of services to offline businesses. I mean, they probably want a website later on or something else. So this is a perfect way to get started, because it will be cheaper for them to get started with a video. So you can tell them you don't have any website, no problem. We can sign up with a free Gmail account and we can create your YouTube channel for free. And we can just put in the address there. So that is a super fast way. And of course you can offer them more services, as I said. Ranking videos, taking care of their YouTube channel, and so on. So that's it. 3 easy ways, as I said, to make money online fast in 2019. Now I will leave a link below for my discounted audio video mastery course. So have a look at that. I highly recommend you to have a look at it, because it is a very, very good way to make money online. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already. There is actually two. You will find an end screen with two channel recommendations. Both are related to this, so subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.